Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Effective tomorrow, gas prices will decline marginally for a second consecutive week. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents less. 50 cents have been cut off from both categories over the last 2 weeks. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will, however, continue their record rally, adding $4.50 per litre tomorrow. Since the start of 2022, $55 has been added to each litre of the products. Kerosene will also sell for $4.50 more. Propane will decline by $1.92, while butane will see a drop of $2.50. And U.S. President Joe Biden today called for a 3-month suspension of the federal gasoline tax. However, the measure to combat record gas prices may encounter difficulty being passed due to opposition from lawmakers, including Democrats. The president also urged states to temporarily suspend their own fuel taxes, which are often higher than federal rates. Lawmakers in both parties have expressed resistance. Some Democrats, including Speaker Nancy Pelosi, is worried oil companies and retailers may pocket much of the savings. U.S. pump prices are averaging near $5 per gallon as the summer demand climbs. The movements in the cost of finished products in the U.S. also have an impact on the cost of fuel in Jamaica, as Petrojam uses the U.S. Gulf reference price to gauge its prices. Restaurants of Jamaica says it has secured the future location for its franchises in St. Thomas. Managing Director Mark Myers says KFC and Pizza Hut will be located at the new Morant Bay Urban Center. Other areas are also being considered.
We're still patiently awaiting the development at the Morant Bay City Center development. We have applied for and been allocated space for both brands, both brand KFC and brand Pizza Hut. And we're just patiently waiting. As the South Coast road development continues to open up access into St. Thomas, we are actively looking for other locations as well, but our expectation is the first one will be in Morant Bay.
The agreement to construct the 436,000 square foot Morant Bay Urban Center was signed in March. The facility will occupy the old Goodyear factory lands. The U.S. currency is being sold for an average $152.37. $118.64 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $185.65 for the pound. It's costing an average $161.55 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index fell by 625 points today, while the junior market index lost 2 points. The leading advancers, Siboney Group, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Epley, Lasco Financial Services, and AMG Packaging and Paper. Decliners include JMMB Group 7.25% variable CR preference Jamaican dollar shares, Dollar Financial Services, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Lasco Distributors, and Edufocal. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.